Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of Defense Technology News is EOS selected for mission Syracuse to accelerate Australian sovereign counter-drone capability with R400 Slinger weapon system for ADF Australian Defence Force. Electro-Optic Systems has been selected as an industry partner under Mission Syracuse, an advanced strategic capabilities accelerator initiative aimed at accelerating counter-uncrewed aerial systems capability for the Australian Defence Force. The Australian Defence Company said it had received a $5.7 million contract to develop the R400 Slinger counter-drone capability. The R400 Slinger is described by EOS as an advanced, all-in-one remote weapon system designed to counter small and medium-sized drones. The system integrates an advanced laser-guided rocket and is intended to provide a flexible response to airborne threats. EOS said the proliferation of uncrewed aerial systems, commonly known as drones, has fundamentally changed the character of modern conflict. It said drones are now a constant feature of the contemporary battlefield and present a dynamic and rapidly evolving threat. Counter-drone threats are evolving rapidly, and Mission Syracuse enables us to deliver capability on timelines aligned to operational needs, said Lee Cormany, Executive Vice President, Defence Systems Australia. This work reflects our ability to move fast, iterate quickly, and deliver systems that are ready for the realities of modern combat. The R400 Slinger capability will be manufactured and sustained in Australia. EOS said the program would support sovereign industrial capability by investing in domestic skills, facilities and intellectual property. We are grateful for the trust placed in us by ASCA, Advanced Strategic Capabilities Accelerator, Ms. Cormany said. It is that partnership between industry and defense that allows us to deliver sovereign, world-class capability when and where it matters most. EOS, which is headquartered in Australia, said almost every remote weapon system it designs, engineers and manufactures is developed entirely within the country. The company said this approach supports supply chain integrity, operational security, and Australia's long-term defense self-reliance. The company said the Mission Syracuse program would deepen that sovereign foundation and support Australia's kinetic counter-drone requirements for decades to come. It said advances achieved through the program are expected to inform broader capability development efforts across a range of operational applications and platforms. EOS said the work would support capability outcomes in priority areas for the Australian Defence Force. The company also acknowledged the role of the Australian government, ASCA Advanced Strategic Capabilities Accelerator and the ADF Australian Defence Force in enabling close collaboration with industry partners. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @ Electronics Technology 50.